Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to identify a common cause of a leak on Smeg dishwashers. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If water is found in the base of the dishwasher causing a flood error, it may be due to the air brake O-ring seals. Remove the screws holding the top. Then pull the top to release it from the tabs underneath, before putting to one side. Remove the plinth and screws holding the side panel. And lift off. Check for signs of water around the joint on the air brake. If any is found, the seals have leaked and require replacing. Unscrew the air brake by releasing the fixing nut inside the cavity. Use a pair of pliers if stiff, but be careful not to break any plastic. Release the hose. Use a screwdriver to release the air brake clip and carefully lift the air brake off. Replace the seals and refit the air brake, ensuring it goes into position correctly without damaging the new seal. Fit the ring nut and tighten to prevent a leak. Reassemble the dishwasher and run a test cycle to check the repair. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.